Welcome everyone. Glad to have you here today. In this video, we'll explore how to adjust the map brightness in the Flightradar24 app on your phone. If you often track flights at night or in bright sunlight, learning how to change brightness. First, open the Flightradar24 app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom left corner and tap on the settings icon. Then scroll down through the menu until you find the option called Map Brightness. Once you see it, you'll notice a slider control. You can drag this slider to the right to increase the brightness or to the left to decrease it. This allows you to set the map lighting exactly how you prefer, whether you're using the app during the day or at night. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.